Hello here. We have selected the PS1 for the solution and art maker. Specifically, what the actual problem we all are facing from the very beginning is the research time. Means whenever we start up with any company sources, with anything, what problems actually? Let me show you first my workflow. Okay, so my workflow is here. Okay, oh, it's crazy. It's very big. It's actually crazy. Actually, it's getting 9 different outputs. Now, what the problems we are resolving is very simple. Is that we have just declining the research period time of our clients, or we can say of any other artist who used to make for it. Okay, means for example, if you are starting with a company and you need to know about your competitors, you need to know about what different problems that your competitors are facing and how to overcome it, your taglines and overall blah 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 blah. So for this purpose, we have made a proper LangFlow based workflow. You can see a very big LangFlow here. So let me show you and let me explain a little bit of your LangFlow. There is nothing more. We have just doing a web scraping and little bit of prompt LLM models here and providing 9 different outputs. And 9 different outputs have a proper API structure. Okay, so about the API structures, if I show you, let me explain you very little in a very short way. This is the first thing we need to pass 2 data, 2 inputs. So in the first input we having descriptions and second input will be having with the industry name. For examples, I'll be providing a description that I'm starting with an e-commerce for an menswear, and my descriptions I can give for an e-commerce. But with respect to that, we have generated different perspective. For example, for this one, if I run this script and it is for the prompt for main. Means the solutions we will getting different standout for the competitors. Fine, it's running. Each flows is working, and let me show you. Okay. Now let's show the text. So you can see the solutions it's provided to us. Means the problems that faces by the other competitors have solved. Crazy. Now let's see the API structure of it. Okay, API structure. We have worked for an API structures. This is the beautiful front-end design done by front-end developers. Okay. Now let's come to the API structures of our overflow. Okay. Coming to it. Okay. Okay. Yes. This is the main.py file. We have been working for it. Here we have just added middlewares, and probably it's something GitHub issues, and added middlewares for our front end to communicate with it. Provided the necessary information such as environment variables, base UPI, LangFlow UID, and normally made of flows as provided by the LangFlow. Done with it, and we'll get an output in the format like this. If we run it, crazy. Means we are getting a proper output with 9 different outputs. Means we are getting 9 different outputs and a proper web scraping, YouTube scraping from every source. And crazy. What we can say the next means it's actually declining all the research time. So why not to use? So let's come to the front end part. So our front end is a very crazy look developed by our front end developers. We have named it as a market lens, as a new AI research tool, we can say, for an ad generator for a research purpose. Okay, nothing more. Just need to provide the industry you are working for and the description of it, blah blah, and let the magic begin. When the magic begins, what it happens, it shows you the necessary component. For example, I have provided for a year for an if I say for a e-commerce websites. So e-commerce websites, and I provide some details. I'll probably be starting with websites like an Amazon, eBay, or Walmart, or I can say AliExpress or Shopify. So you can see all the list of the competitors I'll be getting here. Oh, it's crazy, yeah. Okay. So not only this, what are the best performing hooks? What are the hooks? We can say taglines. And the word clouds we can say the hashtags we can use for websites, such as for the Instagram purposes. Okay, it's crazy. Now, technological trends, we can say that what the technological trends are, descriptions relies on, and about our not only about our descriptions, about our, we can say, industry also. And now there is a generated taglines or platform for image connections. That's great. Grok is providing, and not a Grok, just an AI agent is providing a very beautiful response. Crazy. Now let's go ahead. This is the solutions we have been getting here. You can see in the API structures also, we have been getting a solutions. Oh, wow. We are getting a solutions also where the other competitors are not lying with. Okay. Crazy. Here are the some of the inputs where which of the tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 papers are included, we can say involved in this particular descriptions. Means which of the among the peoples will be, I can say among the peoples will be mostly attractive in this particular industry or in this particular descriptions. Here are the performance of the website, this total descriptions and the performance. Some of the errors facing here. Okay. Not even the use. Okay. It's crazy. And done.